Make sure to clean the product after every use because it helps you to avoid the bacteria from the stinking around. The cleaning kit is available at every packages. Plus, you can use the auto cleaning function to make things even easier. Now, let's check out what's included at first. You have a bottle brush to clean those hard-reach area in the water tanks. A toothbrush to clean the tubing. A use small tubing. It can be used on auto cleaning function. First, take your device over a sink and remove your tubing, nosy branch and nozzles. Dump wastewater. And put a little unsanded dish. Washing soap in there. Use bottle brush to clean. Fill clean water on clean water tank. Put it back and then press it a little bit until you hear the cluck cluck sound. Insert this U-tubing. Press the auto cleaning button. When the water on clean water tank is empty, it is finished. Wet the brush first. Then, put a drop of soap on it as well. Clean the nozzle and nozzle brace. To clean the long tubing, fill the clean water on the clean water tank. Let the machine run. Switch the left and right. Run again. Leave every part on a paper towel to dry. I hope this video helps you to know how to clean your device. If you have any questions, our customer service team can help you online. Let's breathe easier with DeepCozy.